Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 66 degrees. Perfect camping weather. This is Hoosier. Hi, baby. This is my dad.
Wakey, wakey, bags and achy. Good, that backwards. Eat your food before it gets cold.
We got some eggs and bakey. We're gonna eat and chill for a little bit. Maybe go fishing later. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, we'll talk to you guys later.
I got the wrong damn shoes. My dumb ass only packed these and that was I'm gonna throw in my boots. I was expecting it to be higher in trap though.
Oh yeah, me too. I don't know how deep it is, but it looks pretty deep.
Well, up there you can kind of see the rocks poking through. So I'd probably say go straight out and downstream maybe.
There's something right there.
Yep, I saw that too.
I wonder what it was.
Probably a gator.
Yeah. Or a little carp.
That's what they call like the open reel or whatever. Isn't that hard to cast?
That bait cast, yeah. Bait caster. This is pretty nice. It just kind of just floats and spins.
Is that a 6 cents? I've been wanting to get on their website and just look and see and then use your code and buy a few.
Yeah, they have the best stuff. It lasts forever.
Is it super expensive?
No, pretty reasonable. These are nice. This one's probably too big, but
That'd be good in the this muddy ass water here.
Yeah. And these are really good too. I might put that on. I don't know, this or this.
Catch a big one. You need to use the big one. Catch a big ass fish.
Yeah, this would be good. Finesse square bill, 3/8 ounce. These are nice, the smaller guys.
Yeah, don't end up like Josh and get that thing stuck in your finger.
I haven't done it yet, but it's gonna happen
someday, I'm sure.
Yeah.
If you fish enough, it'll eventually happen.
Oh yes. Or like when you get snagged and it comes loose and just shoots at your head.
You're right, yeah.
It's scary. There we go. We'll probably catch something.
Yeah, it'd be cool if you even just a little catfish.
It's cool, it just like wiggles in the water.
Uh-huh. You said it goes down about 3 feet, and that's about as deep as it goes?
Yep. We'll see how many trees are around.
Oh, it's right.
I'm gonna try the other one. Doo-doo. Here's a little baby carp. Josh would be excited. There's carp everywhere. There's two right there. I think those are grass carp. So many carp, holy crap. Got one. Oh! Holy crap. Nice! All right, bud. White bass? Nice. Got one. Eee. Nice. All right, see you later. Nice, nice. Good old cast master. See that carp? Mr. Carp. Get it. Get it. Ah, he almost got it. He nibbled. That was a surefire nibble. Oh, we got some. Yeah. Ooh, what is this? What is it? Hey! Hey! I got something! It's a drumfish! Yes! Yes! Just what I wanted. Hello, bud. That's a nice one. Oh, he's croaking. Whoa, whoa. No drumfish. No, no, no. Bad boy. Oh. All right. He's croaking. Why is he croaking? Oh, there's a big spider on me. Oh, did you see that? Okay, all right. Drum bud's going back. Oh, God, that scared me. Oh, wow. I hate spiders. Ooh. Catch a couple more and then try another spot. Ugh. Big old drumfish. Feel bad my dad wore the wrong shoes today. He can't come down here because it's too muddy and slippery. He'd fall right in. What the heck?
I drug this lure over the top of the carp's back. The carp's back just drug right over top of it. I was afraid to cast it because I get all boogered up, but I just let some line out and just been bobbing it.
Oh yeah.
They're all over the place.
There's a million over there. I want to catch one just to make Josh proud.
Yeah.
He loves carp.
I said I didn't want to cast it, but I figured I could be smart enough to at least level the line out and bob it around.
Yeah.
You can see their heads pop up in that foam. They're just following that foam around.
All right, now you're good. If I get one, I can let you reel it in. They're super fun.
Catch anything?
I caught a drum.
Oh, drum?
Yeah.
Is that like a kind of fish or?
Yeah.
Oh, they mean like a.
No. And a white bass.
Should have said after you caught a drum, I caught a cymbal.
I was like, oh, you got one. Oh my God, it's huge. Oh, that's awesome.
Holy shit!
Yeah, they're insane. Just be careful in case the hook comes back. That's a good one.
It's huge.
Nice, and it's in the mouth. Oh my God.
I'm trying to get him up to the bank there. He ain't liking it.
Oh, that's awesome. He's a big boy.
Come on, boy. Go to sleep for a little bit.
Do not hook me. Ah. Yeah, just try to. It's hard and he's slimy. Bring him over there. Hurry.
Are you going to stay calm like this when you're holding them like this?
Nope, yeah, do that and I'll try to.
I think I got a pretty good grip on him now. There you go.
Yay!
That's the best way to do it.
That's fine, or you can try to hold his belly. Yep, just like that.
Ah! There we go.
Okay, good. Yay!
He's talking. All right, buddy, you can go back now.
Nice.
Sweet!
That was awesome. Yeah, he bit it too. He wanted it.
Yep.
That's
That
funny.
wasn't a snag.
That's great.
All right.
Woohoo!
That made my day.
Good job. They're slimy.
Yeah. Sweet. That was cool.
People hate them. They'll just throw them on shore, but they're so fun to catch. They just go crazy.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, I remember being little and going fishing with Uncle Mike, and suckers would fight like mad. Corn, grasshoppers, use all sorts of stuff like that. Had a few lines break above the bobber, and you could see the bobber going up and down.
Oh, yep. That's awesome. Yeah. I was like, please come in. But yeah, they're so hard to grab.
That's a pretty big one.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes you can grab them by the tail too and just like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Very cool.
Cool beans. We can try down the rocks over there if you want.
I'm gonna let the water settle down a little bit, and then maybe I'll do what I was just doing and kind of bounce around again.
I'm gonna try over by the rocks, see what's over there. Or just by these stumps over here.
Let's see, I think you could probably climb over that log if you want to get over there. Get over that.
Frogs. Here's a new spot for you. There's a ton right there. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Oh, this is so fun. There's so many. They're like everywhere. Yeah, there's a ton of carp. Call Josh, see what he has to say.
Oh, hey, hi, how's it going?
Oh, hey, you know, there's just a lot of fish here.
How many fish?
Like a million fish.
How many have you guys caught?
All the pictures we sent. There's a shitload of carp on the shore, like right next to shore.
Yeah.
Drum and everything.
Well, I guess this is a good time to tell you that I'm like an hour away.
Oh, yeah? You should come if you want to. This is like amazing.
No, I was planning on coming
Oh.
yesterday. I was just being a dick.
Oh, we got another. Oh, it's a catfish. Woo! Oh, that's awesome.
He snagged twice,
It's in his mouth.
and his gill.
Dang. Okay, I might have to let you go.
Okay.
Okay, love you, bye. Just be so careful. Oh yeah, he got good.
Nice.
There we go. Nice. And take a picture.
Sure, might as well. I don't do this very often. He's not huge, but he's pretty.
Oh, God. Oh, there he goes. Oh, that's great. Josh is so jealous. I sent him those pictures. He's like, oh, I'm an hour away, so yeah, this is fun.
Definitely.
So today's been a very interesting day. It's been a really good day, actually. We've caught a lot of fish. My dad caught a few, I caught a few. I was gonna make a quick pit stop in the, you know, the nastiest freaking bathroom on the planet, and getting ready to drop my pants when I see this. No thank you. No thank you. That is bad. That's disgusting. No thank you. I'd rather shit in the woods. So yeah. I'm gonna try to figure out my bathroom situation and we'll get back to it. Wow!
I almost got it, freaking.
Drumfish.
Is that what that is? It's like hooked on that damn tendon, kind of, whatever you want to call it there. And then he was hooked. Now he's hooked twice.
I can get him. Yeah, you can just like with their little bodies.
He's almost
That's a big one. There we go. Woohoo! That's a nice one. Crazy little boy.
Yeah, that's the first time I caught one of those.
Those are my favorite. Yeah, so that bathroom was closed, that bathroom was closed,
I
and then
wondered.
the next one had a giant spider, like, oh my God, it was the biggest one I've ever seen. So I went to the next one, and there was like 4 wasp nests in the corner,
Oh my god.
but there was a toad that scared the crap out of me. Yeah, it was quite the experience.
I just did the same thing. I just kept kind of bobbing it underneath that foam right there. I had another like small little nibble, and then yeah, so.
Perfect timing. That was awesome.
Well, he was hooked twice, so I got like one went through what you saw, that little tendon, whatever you want to call it, and the other one was like hooked down in here too.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, oh my gosh, that's like wedged in there. But got that one out, and then I couldn't get it unhooked from the other. I like to use like the needle nose, so you can kind of get in there and turn it some.
Yeah. Good job today.
Good job. That was fun. Father-daughter time.
Late.
Bye.
Bye bye.